All right, guys, so today I'm gonna teach you, number one, my favorite pressure point in the street, and you know, being a doorman for close to 10 years, it's probably the only one I've used over and over successfully that's worked. And so come over here, turn around. So the first thing is, a lot of times what would happen, I would go for a choke if I wanted to choke out the attacker. Johnny's even taller than me, so sometimes being able to go for a choke requires me to be taller to be able to come around. What's your next best thing that always works, always worked for me? Okay, John, try to block me. Don't let me do it. You feel that? Tap. Okay, ready? Now, I'm gonna go chest to back, John. Your job is don't let me put on that pressure point. Okay? Go. You okay? So I'm here. So I wanted to lock it, but all I did was this because I couldn't get it. And all I'm doing is I'm using the blade of my forearm and I'm crushing into the face. You felt that?
Yep.
Now, the ideal what you want to do is you want to use the blade of your forearm into the jaw, into the face, into the neck. Lock the arms, suck out all the air, use your weight, stick to him, and then tap when you feel it, John. Guys, yeah, he's a big boy, he's 250. And I know, because when I did it in clubs, especially if the guy was taller or I went for the choke, all I would say is find a way to lock the arms and then just squeeze using the blade of your forearms into the jaw, into the face, so you have pressure across the jawline and you have pressure from the neck. Again, it's a great way to control an attacker, a fight. Maybe it's a friend that you just want to like find a way to control because you don't want to hurt the person. That was the go move to me, where I knew once I locked it, boom, I stuck to him. Even if he was taller, I would drop my weight and he would follow right down. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to visit my website, nickdrossos.com. We're offering live classes, so join the academy, the Hero Training Camp, guys. Stay safe and stand strong.